In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Telegram video not playing. If your videos won't load, buffer endlessly, or show an error, follow along and we'll walk through reliable fixes that address the most common causes, from network conflicts to temporary app data. First, open Telegram, make sure you're signed in and can reach the chat where the video is located. Simply confirming you're connected and the chat is accessible helps rule out basic connectivity issues before changing any settings. Next, head to Settings, then Data and Storage, and turn off auto download media for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. When auto download is on, large queues can build up in the background, competing for bandwidth and stalling video playback. Disabling auto download temporarily frees the connection so videos can start cleanly when you tap them. You can always turn auto download back on later, but for now, keep both toggles off and try playing the video again. If the issue persists, check whether you're using a VPN or proxy that might be restricted. Some VPN endpoints and proxies block or throttle the content delivery networks Telegram uses for media. In Settings, look for proxy or connection settings and make sure no restricted proxy is enabled. If you use a VPN at the system level, briefly disconnect or switch to another region and test playback. This doesn't change any Telegram data, it simply ensures your network path isn't interfering with videos. Now, reset your system time. On your device, enable automatic date and time and automatic time zone. Secure media links rely on accurate clocks for certificate and token validation, and if your device time is off, even by a little, video playback can fail. After turning time synchronization on, return to Telegram and try the video again. Then, go back to Settings, choose Data and Storage, and open storage usage. This area shows how much temporary space Telegram is using on your device, including cached media and thumbnails that can occasionally become corrupted or outdated. Finally, tap Clear Entire Cache. This removes only locally stored temporary files. It does not delete your messages, chats, or cloud media. After clearing, relaunch Telegram and play the video. The app will fetch a fresh copy, which often resolves stuck or partially downloaded files. Keep in mind that clearing the cache may require reloading some images and videos later, but it's a safe and effective fix. Work through these steps in order, testing the video after each one. With auto download paused, network restrictions ruled out, accurate system time, and a clean cache, Telegram videos should start playing smoothly again.